Hi guys! Welcome back my YouTube channels. This video is for the greetings to all my followers, viewers, and subscriber. All here in my business account social media. Happy Valentine's guys! Ayan. So ngayon, konting simple vlogs lang po to greetings to all my friends, sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal. Kasi from morning up to evening is kanina pa ako nagmi-message, kanina pa ako nagpipindot sa lahat ng mga bumati po sa akin. Maraming salamat po guys. Salamat po sa support. Salamat po sa mga followers at mga viewers at subscriber ko na nagmamahal po sa akin, sa aking simple vlogs po sa daily life activities ko. Abangan nyo po ang iba't ibang content sa susunod na kabanata ng aking pagbablog. So, naisip ko po ay needs ko po mag-FB live, mag-live sa lahat ng mga accounts ko para mag-rate sa lahat at magpasalamat sa mga followers at mga viewers at subscriber ko ba, guys. Ayan. And also, may mga nagpapabati din po kasi sa akin ng mga birthdays ngayong Valentine Days. Ayan, sa aking uncle, auntie, and so all my colleagues, my friends, talagang sumakto ng Valentine's Day ang kanilang mga birthday. So, ayan guys, nandito po ako sa isang cellphone ko and kaharap ko din ang aking laptop. So, ayan guys, just titingnan po natin. So, ayan. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Ayan. So, babatiin lang po natin ang very important na mga followers po natin. Ayan. So, iset lang po natin sa live. Ayan. Ayan. Actually, guys, ang dami nagmi-message po sa akin dito sa aking FB. So, kailangan na natin mag-message at mag-rate. Ayan, guys. Hi, guys! Hi! Good evening, good morning to everyone in the whole world. Happy Valentine's Day, and this live video in my Facebook and also my YouTube channel, of course, and also my TikTok and Instagram. Happy Valentine's to all my followers, no? And my subscriber and my viewers in FB and also in my YouTube channel. This is a very short live and simple live po guys, na gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, sa lahat ng mga nag-view, sa nanonood ng aking Simple Vlogs YouTube channel. And happy Valentine's po sa lahat ng mga nag-rate po sa akin dito sa Facebook. Ayan, especially to my family, GC Premier here in Doha, Qatar headquarters, my Team Titans, Team Lions, Team Agila, lahat po ng mga taga-JC sa business ng GC Premier Business International. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo guys, may pinost po ako sa FB at kita-kits po tayo doon sa headquarters ng GC Premier at 6 p.m. tomorrow evening po. Ayan, magsi-celebrate tayo. We are celebration in GC Premier in Al-Sad, the Valentine's Day. Ayan. So, panoorin natin, i-watch natin ang simple business ng business opportunity ng mga GC Premier may mga bisita po tayo from the Philippines. She's coming now today, and tomorrow she's going to GC Premier headquarters. The name is Miss Josephine Yao. Hi ma'am, I love you. Happy Valentine's po. And happy Valentine's to all my family team in GC Premier, Team Lion, Team Agila, Team Titans, lahat ng mga teams po natin. Ayan, lahat ng mga team members, sa lahat ng mga distributor ng GC Premier. Ayan, see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Ayan guys. So, kailangan po natin na magdobli sikap guys, and kailangan po nating dubli kayod, no? Kahit na pwede nating idagdag ang GC na income at simple business, lifetime business, hindi mahirap. Okay? So all my friends, other nationalities, yes, I have two friends, okay, tomorrow to visit in our headquarters, no? So invites more to all your friends there in GC Premier, and please see you tomorrow. Okay guys, and we celebrate the Valentine's Day and GC Premier headquarters. At the same time, we have the opportunity to additional another very fabulous business. Napakaganda, too much, very the best business, no? As I entrepreneur. Ayan guys. So, I would like to say happy Valentine's, of course. The Team Titans in Philippines, Dubai, and Singapore, okay, and here in Doha. Lahat ng mga Team Titans, Team Agila, Team Lion, ayan, lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na mga nagsusupport dito. Of course, Singapore, Madam Lisa Lim, ayan ang BCO natin, the best talaga, reyna ng GC, ang tawag ko dyan, idolize ko si Ma'am Lisa Lim in Singapore, ayan, and of course, sa Dubai din po, ayan, Fairwind Go, and of course, sa Philippines, Boom Plata, and of course, my upline, Mr. Dexter Mendoza, ayan guys, happy Valentine's to all of you guys, and of course, my loving boss, President CEO, Mr. Jonathan So, and Mr. Carlito Macadangdang, happy Valentine's po, maraming salamat po boss, sa inyo pong dalawa, ayan. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat din po, of course, sa aking family in Canada, family Freyas, lahat ng mga bumati at nagmamahal sa akin. Hindi ko na po isa-isa ang pangalan nyo. And also in the USA, family Galsote, ayan, si Madam Los, okay, Los Galsote, lahat po ng mga taga-Bagabag, taga-Baguio, lahat po in the Philippines, happy Valentine's, ayan. Actually, hindi po ako nakapag-live noong New Year, nasanay po ang mga New Year, and of course, my friends also in Morocco, thank you for watching, Abdullah, this one in Morocco, he's watching now, and to all my friends in Morocco. Okay guys, in Morocco, and of course in Pakistan, to all family Khan, in India, and yes, to all my followers, Mr. Faisal Khan, ayan, to all my friends, and of course in the business, in my work, happy Valentine's, happy Heart Day to all of you guys. Ayan. So, this is a very short live and simple message to all of you guys. And of course, thank you so much to all my subscriber and to all my followers here in FB, Instagram, and especially my TikTok channel. Okay, guys? And please support. And of course, ang dami. They have a lot of people to request me to FB live, to make a live. So, kailangan ko maawa the this, kailangan ko na talagang mag-live, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin lahat ng mga subscriber, mga viewers, lahat ng mga nag-likes, lahat ng mga nag-watching sa simple vlogs ko po, and I'm the beginner, so nangangapa pa ako at cellphone lang ang aking gamit, guys. I don't have a tools na talaga talagang vloggers talaga. So, nag-i-start po lang tayo from the scratch. So, maraming salamat po sa mga support nyo po sa akin. Okay, guys. Happy Valentine's to Family Cantillano, Family Frias, Family Galsote, Family Bulataw, and also happy birthday to my uncle Melicio Galsote in Pangasinan. And of course, happy birthday the parents of my engineer here in Cebu. Ayan, hindi ko na i-mention ang kanilang mga pangalan. Okay guys, happy birthday to family Binse. Okay? And of course, happy birthday of course sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko at mga teachers ko na birthday nila is Valentine's Day. Ayan guys, ang dami ng mga gustong magpabate at talagang this is starting for this video which sa mga this live, no, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, please share please. At alam ko opposite ang mga time natin sa other countries like USA, Canada, talagang opposite ang time. Ayan. So, Australia, happy Valentine's to Mr. and Mrs. Ferner, family Ferner, family Fern. Ayan, Fern, happy Valentine's to your family. Okay, guys. And also, my daughter in Dubai. Ayan. Mr. and Mrs. Jewel, ayan, Marquinez family, happy Valentine's po. Happy Valentine's. And of course, Katrina, Kat, hi, happy Valentine's to your, in US, in your family, of course. And Mr. Ayan, thank you for watching Mr. Bong Plata, my upline, and of course, in his family, and Mr. Dexter Mendoza. Sino pa ba mga nakalimutan ko, guys? Ang daming nagpapabati. And of course, hi, Madam Mariel Lassen. Happy Valentine's Day to your family. I salute you, Miss Mariel Lassen. Talagang na-inspired po ako sa kasipagan mo. Talagang iniidolo kita sa iyong vlogs. Ayan, and of course, ayan, Brian Galsote, thank you for watching. And of course, sa aking mga kapatid, ayan, sa aking siblings, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for greetings me. Okay, my loving siblings. And of course, ang aking mga anak, ang aking 3 kings na nag-great ng Valentine's Day to me. And ang aking anak na si Prince, Jiro, and GR, ang aking 3 kings. Ayan, 3 boys ko yan. So, happy Valentine's mga anak. And of course, thank you sa support. At thank you at pinayagan nyo na akong mag-vlog sa Simple Vlogs. Ayan. And once again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa akin. USA, Canada, Australia, and of course here in Doha, and of course in Dubai. Ayan. So sa napakadami, and of course to all my friends in Japan, happy Valentine's, and happy hard day to everyone. Ayan, sino pa ba mga nakalimutan ko, guys? In Cebu, of course, my family in Cebu, in Olango Island. Ayan. See you there very soon. See you there. I'm going to Cebu soon. Here, there, in Lapu-Lapu, Olango Island, in Mactan. Ayan, guys. So, pupunta po ako dyan. Magbibisit po ako sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Sobrang init na. So, sa lahat ng mga hindi ko nabate, wag pong magtatampo. But to all my 5,000, more than 5,000 ng mga friends ko dito sa Facebook, to all other nationalities, to all my loving followers, and my loving subscriber and viewers in my YouTube channel, happy Valentine's, and thank you so much po. Abangan nyo po lagi ang aking vlogs. Every Friday, nasa GC Premier po ako ng Alsad. Okay, guys? And also, see you soon in Dubai. Ayan, pupunta po ako sa Dubai. To all my friends in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, happy Valentine's Day. See you soon in Abu Dhabi, guys. See you soon, guys. And of course, sino pa bang mga nakalimutan ko? Ayan, my family in Pangasinan or Restondo, Pangasinan, Malasiki, Pangasinan, Baguio, Nueva Ecija, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to all my followers, and also in the Bicol region, Laguna, ayan, sa Cabuyao, Laguna, to all my friends there in Cabuyao. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you to all my followers. Salamat po sa support nyo at salamat po sa panonood nyo po ng aking very simple vlogs. Actually, sineryo at talagang ini-start ko lang to last December. Ayan. So, naisipan kong mag-continue sa ang aking YouTube channel dahil ang daming nagre-request. Thank you so much to all my followers here. Ayan. So, i-continuous na natin kahit na cellphone lang ang gamit ko at walang edit, wala lahat, basta walang script. So, please, thank you sa support nyo. Like and share, comments down below. No, huwag na pong magbabash po, wag po. At good vibes lang po tayo, enjoy lang natin ang ating life. Ayan. So, isa lang ang ating life. So, enjoy life, guys. So, thank you for your support, guys, sa aking YouTube channel, Zaidi Galsote. Please subscribe po. And dyan nyo malalaman ang day life activity ng aking buhay, ang aking simpleng buhay as a OFW. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, guys, the journey of OFW, abangan nyo po ang aking content na yan. At marami po kayong matututunan at mapapanood. Ang dami ko ng mga may interview na mga OFW na nag-success, na talagang mga solo mother, mga solo parents, solo mother, solo father. Ayan, ito ang tinatakil ko. I-interviewin po natin ang The Journey of OFW soon. May books na rin po yan na sinusulat ko. Malapit na pong matapos yan. Ayan, guys. So, thank you again sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa akin ng mga pamilya ko, lalong-lalo ng aking pamilya, ang aking mga kapatid, ang aking mga anak, ang aking mga kaibigan dito sa Duha at iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Okay, thank you so much for your support to all my followers, subscriber, and my viewers, and my TikTok accounts, Instagram, and other what do you call this, countries, guys. Ayan. Okay, guys, hindi ko na po papatagalin, guys. Once again, happy Valentine's to you. Tomorrow, i-enjoy po natin February 14, and happy birthday po sa lahat ng may birthday ng February 14. Ayan, talagang, and always praying, guys, and happy birthday to all of you, guys, and more birthdays to come. And ayan, lagi po tayong magpe-pray, and God is always with us, guys. God is always good all the time, and talagang siya ang talagang susuporta sa atin. Happy Valentine's to all my boss, to all my business partner, to all my friends and my colleagues here in my Facebook here in Doha, Qatar, and other countries po. Ayan, happy Valentine's to my special friends in Dubai, family Zomel, ayan, and Turkey, and and also in Morocco, and Jordan, ayan. So all my friends, Madam Minda Obita, happy Valentine's. Ay, i-watch nyo lagi ang kanyang FB. Ayan, thank you for subscribe po. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa aking Facebook, ayan, sa lahat ng aking social media channel account, sa lahat ng mga accounts ko, ayan, especially my YouTube channel. Thank you so much po. At kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po ako talagang maglalakas loob na mag-vlogs, mag-YouTube, lahat po. Gagawin ko po ang lahat para po sa inyo. Thank you so much for support po. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Brian. Ayan, see you once again, guys. See you tomorrow in headquarters GC Premier Team Titans. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga gusto na mga member na dati ng Team Titans, Team Brave Horse Titans, lahat ng Team Agila, Team Lion, lahat po ng mga team, we are family here in GC Premier. Kailangan po tayong mag-support at mag-helping each other, at kailangan po tayong magkita-kita guys to celebrate the Valentine's Day, to visit the best business or the opportunities tomorrow. Ayan. At may bisita tayong pinakamaganda na bisita na dumating na at makikita natin bukas sa lahat ng mga OFW na gusto at curious kung ano ang GC Premier. Ayan. So, talagang the best po talaga tong business na to. Different how many brands in the countries. So, international business po to. We have a branch in Dubai, Singapore, Taiwan, Italy, Canada, Australia. Magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng office sa Dubai and Saudi and Japan. Ayan. So very very soon sana magkaroon tayo dito ng office sa Alcor branch. Parang Dubai and then Abu Dhabi dito. Very very soon sana magkaroon po tayo ng office ng GC Premier in Alcor. Ayan. And of course, thank you, and GC Premier also very very soon baka may mag-open ng branch sa India. Okay, India and Pakistan. Abangan po natin yan. May mga gustong mag-open at mag-branch ng India at ang Pakistan. I think they have also in Africa and ayan, Sri Lanka. Ayan, they have is a lot of member as a distributor in Sri Lanka, Nepal. Ayan, thank you so much to all the distributor in Nepal, and number one top talaga ang Nepal and Sri Lanka here in Doha, Qatar. Napakasisipag po talaga. Ayan, at mga what do you call this, yung mga grupo ng Team Lion. Ayan guys, Team Lion and Team Agila, ayan, Team Eagles, ayan, ang aking pinakamamahal na the best leader ng Team Eagle na aking sister na si Madam Phoebe Pagdayaw. Alam niyo na yan, kilala niyo na po yan, dito sa Doha, Qatar, ayan. So bukas, magdi-date po kaming dalawa, magkita-kita kami tomorrow, see you there in GC Premier, okay, so and of course, happy Valentine's to my family group, my family colleagues here, Madam Joanne and family. Ayan, Madam Eva Villanueva, happy Valentine's. Madam Phoebe Pagdayaw and family. And all and other friends here, the group friends here, Madam Nor, ayan. So, lahat ng mga colleagues ko at friends ko, makikita nyo po sa aking daily vlogs. Ayan, guys. So, thank you for support to all my friends. Ayan, sinuportahan po nila ako. Susuportahan pa. Ayan, guys. At sila ang number one laging nagsusupport sa akin. From 2017 na mula nung nandito ko, andyan lagi ang aking sister na umaalalay at nagsusupport sa akin, Mr. and Mrs. Phoebe Pagdayaw, yung mag-asawa niyan, grabe. Hindi nila talaga ako iniwanan. Ayan guys, so thank you Ma'am Phoebe for support sa GC Premier, ang mga team nila, and of course, ang talagang namamayagpag sa social media, si Madam Sheila de la Cruz. Ayan, kasabayan ko yan sa marketing ng construction ngayon. Wow, the best talaga. Ang bilis niyang kumita. Kung nakita nyo, nag-team po sila. So, happy Valentine's to you, Ning. Ayan, thank you. And hindi ko na maisa-isa po lahat at hindi ko na papatagalin ang aking Valentine's greetings to all my followers, to all my subscribers, to all my viewers, to all my friends in TikTok. Ayan, magla-live tayo sa TikTok, ang aking TikTok. Ayan, once again guys, happy Valentine's. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Zaidi Galsote. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and share, comments down below, and bell the notification. And please, thank you to all my followers here also in my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok. See you guys. I love you and God bless. Bye! Ayan na guys, thank you so much, and to all my subscribers here, happy Valentine's. Hindi po ako nakalabas kasi nagbe-bed rest pa ako, hindi pa ako pwedeng magkikilos. So, kailangan ko lang, andito lang ako sa loob ng bahay. Kaya naisipan ko pong mag-FB Live at mag-live na rin po dito sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. Salamat sa support po. So, to all my viewers here in my YouTube, thank you so much. Thank you. So, all different countries, happy Valentine's, and thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you, and God bless, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and like and share and comments, and please bell the button notification. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe. I love you guys, and God bless. Bye.